How to create a Google form and share a link. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Google form and share a link. So let's get started. First of all, head over to Google search bar and search for Google Forms, and then you got to click on Google Forms, and then you got to click on sign in. But you got to make sure that you're signing in with the account that you wish to create the Google form with. So just click on sign in and you will be redirected to an interface where you can choose templates. So over here, you can either choose a template or you can just click on template gallery, and there are numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can just select any of these templates, or you can even you can just go back and click on blank form and start from scratch. Or if you have already any recent forms, you can just click on them over here, and all of the forms displayed by you would be over here. So let me just click on blank form for demonstration purpose. So I'm just going to click on that, and here you're going to type down the name of the form. That would be in bold letters and the big name of the form. So here I'm going to type in the name such as question answer session. So I'm just going to write down QA, that means question answers. So after that, you can just make it bold or anything. You can just select it and make it bold. You can make it italic or underline, or even add different colors and stuff to that. And here you're going to type down the description of the form. So I'm going to type down that what is this form about. You can give it a brief description. So I'm going to type down for job shortlisting. And once done, you can type down your questions over here. So for the first one, you get to type down, for example, I'm going to ask the person's name. So I'm going to type down name. And then you can see the name is a short, the answer to the question of name is probably a short answer. So that's why you're going to select short answer, and then you're going to toggle on the required because I don't want people to be skipping through the questions. And then you can click on add new question. And here, the second question I want is gender. So now you can know the gender can either be male, female. So you can just click on multiple choice and type in either male or female, or if any other, you can just give it another option of other. So let me just type in other, and the people can just choose any of these. And again, I'm going to click on this toggle button so that people don't skip through the questions. And if you wish to add some other questions, you can click on add question, and you can type in any other question. For example, I'm typing in the question of email. So you can, email is usually short answer. It's not that long of a paragraph. And if you want the form to automatically pick the email of a person, you can go to settings and then go to form defaults, and here you can click on responder input. And now this form will automatically pick the email of the person who is trying to fill in the form. And for that, you won't be requiring the email question further. So once done, you can add any other questions, and you can change just the appearance of the form by clicking on this palette. You can change the header, you can change the question text, or the colors. And for example, there are numerous colors over here you can choose from. You can even add new colors of your own. You can choose the background colors and other stuff. And once done, you can click on this icon over here, and or you can click on this icon. There are two options from where you can share this form. So basically, you can just click on this and you can type down the email of a person you wish to share it with. And once done, once the form is published, you'll be able to see all of the responses listed over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That was how you can create Google form and share link. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.